What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to show you how to resize images for every social platform. It's fast, easy, and you can design and store all of your posts in one place. Let's jump right in. The first step is to go to snappa.com and make a free account. Snappa is an easy graphic design tool with tons of customizable templates and useful design features. One of those features is the Resize button, and it works best when you design or create your image post in Snappa. Here I have an Instagram post that I designed using one of our templates, but I also want to post this image on X, Facebook, and Pinterest, which all have different size requirements. So if I click the Resize button at the top, I have the option to type in custom dimensions, or I can choose a preset size for different social media platforms. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'll select the Pinterest pin size, open it as a new graphic, and click View Image. And just like that, I have a fully resized image in just a few seconds. Now I'm going to make sure to save it because I want to keep all of these resized images stored in Snappa. And I'll continue on with the resize process for the X and Facebook post sizes. It's so quick and easy to use the Resize button, and you can always make adjustments if things need to be edited or repositioned. Once you've resized and saved all of your images, just open your saved graphics folder to view them. You can see that we have a size ready for every platform. From there, you can open whichever image you want to post first, download it, and upload it directly to social media. Alternatively, Snappa also has an integration with Buffer if you want to upload and schedule your posts across various platforms. This is perfect for planning your posts ahead of time, and it only takes a few clicks. Well, that wraps up today's video. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.